Is that the ice cream lady, Chippy? Do you hear the ice cream lady? You don't want ice cream. That's not good for you. Where you going? Chippy! Over here, baby. Chippy! Chippy! Come here! I don't think he understands what the noise is. I think it's making him nervous. Chippy! Chippy, over here! Chippy! What's that, eh? What's that, my love? What's that, my love? Chippy! Chippy, I got food over here for you, you dodo. Come here. Chippy, look. Chippy. Chippy. Chippy, I got food. Okay. He's going to take a trip down there and probably come back once he realizes there's nothing over there. Or he's going to go down the steps and hopefully come back. Chippy, you coming back, my love? Okay, I guess we're done. Oh, no, we're not. There he is. There he is. Come on, Chippy. Come on. Come on, Chippy. Come on, Chippy. Chippy. Oh, there he is. Come on. Come on. Hi, buddy. Good boy. There you go. There you go. Come on. Chippy. Did you find the one I left for you? Chippy. Go on. Go get it, buddy. Chippy. Chippy, over here, silly. There we go. Good boy. Gentle, though. There you go. Good boy. Good boy. You gonna let me pet you yet? That's my finger. I just want to pet you. No? Okay. You gonna take your bridge? You gonna take your bridge? Chippy. Chippy. Come on, Chippy. You can do it. You can do it. I'll hold it in place even if you like. Good boy. There you go. There you go. Oh, you're so cute. Happy little Chippy, finding him some nuts and cute little seeds, and it's all good. Sorry, okay. Couldn't come up with a rhyme. Filling up the pockets with lots and lots of seeds, lots and lots and lots of happy, happy, happy food. Hey. You're so cute, Chippy. Yeah, you're cute, Chippy. You're cute, Chippy. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Yeah. Not gonna let me pet you, though, yet, right? Okay. Do you need help getting down? Are you good? Whoop. Woo, you got across there real quick. There you go, Chippy. Are you gonna come back? Careful. Are you a happy little Chippy? Chippy, Chippy, happy Chippy. Hey. Oh, goodness. You are a fast little bugger, aren't you? Hey, you're fast. You're so fast. And I think he's gone. Yep, he's gone. See you later, guys.